As you know, the technology made everything easy. Now you can improve your life with the light of Quran online at home. You can learn Quran and Islamic courses online from home. My Quran Tutor Online Institute offers the opportunity to learn Quran and Islamic education in your ease. Don't bother, no need to do anything extra. Sit in your home, open your computer, and an expert Quran teacher and Islamic scholar will be live with you via Skype and Zoom. So don't get late. Start your journey from now. How my Quran Tutor works. Watch this video till end.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والنازعات غرقا والناشطات نشطا والسابحات سبحا فالسابقات سبقا
فالسابقات سبقا. You have to read complete bold sound.
فالسابقات سبقا فالمدبرات أمرا يوم ترجف الراجفة تتبعها الرادفة
تتبعها الرادفة
تتبعها الرادفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة.
There are 6 letters: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, and Ghain, Kha. The question is, when izhar will be applied? I mean, like when izhar rule will be applied. When izhar rule will be applied in Quran? The answer is, if any izhar letter comes after nun sakin or tanween, then izhar will be applied, and we will read clearly and without ghunna. Do you know what is ghunna mean? Why? Ghunna means a nasal sound. Ghunna means a nasal sound. We will pronounce from nose. That is called ghunna. Understand now?
Yes.
When any izhar letter, as you know, there are 6 izhar letters, right?
Mm-hmm.
When any of them come after nun sakin and tanween, yes, then izhar,
Will be applied.
yes. Understand?
Yes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويل للمطففين.
Okay. وَيْلٌ لِلْمُطَفِّفِينَ.
ويل للمطففين.
What is about ya, about this letter? Ya, is that madda letter or soft letter?
Mother. Wait, yeah, what from way? Okay.
Yeah, I'm just talking about ya.
Mother.
It is not madda letter because the previous letter of ya has wow, zabar sign. So that's why it is soft letter. Okay, when there is page sign before ya sakin, then ya will be madda. So there will be wailul lil mutaffifin.
ويل للمطففين.
أبصارها خاشعة
خاشعة.
خاشعة يقولون إنا لمردودون في الحافرة
حافرة.
حافرة أإذا كنا عظاما نخرة قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة
خاسرة.
كرة
No,
خاسرة
don't do ghunna here. So this is her.
كرة خاسرة.
So if you are interested to learn Quran or other Islamic things, just fill the form on our website. www.myqurantutor.com. Also you can contact us through WhatsApp 9233276666.